Solar roofing technology is seriously changing the game for homeowners who want to save money and help the planet at the same time. So, if you're thinking about solar roofs, here's the deal. First off, check how much sunlight your roof actually gets because solar panels need good sun to work well. Also, get quotes from a few different installers so you don't end up paying way too much or getting low quality stuff. Make sure your roof is in decent shape before installing anything because adding solar panels on a dodgy roof can lead to bigger problems down the line. You'll want to look into local incentives and tax credits too, since they can knock a lot off your final cost. Don't forget about maintenance. Solar panels need some cleaning now and then, so they keep working at their best. It's smart to think about your energy needs and how much power you want to generate so you don't overspend on a system that's too big or too small. Also, ask about warranties, because a solid one can save you headaches if something breaks. Finally, remember that solar roofing isn't just about saving cash. It can actually boost your home's value if you decide to sell later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar roofing technology is not sizing the system correctly for their energy use, which can lead to wasted money or not enough power. Fix this by tracking your electricity bills and working with a pro installer to get it right. Another common issue is ignoring roof condition before installation, which sometimes means panels need to come off for roof repairs soon after. The best move is to inspect and fix your roof first. The third problem is skipping research on local solar incentives and rebates, which are huge money savers. Always check with your state or city energy offices before buying anything. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to solar roofing technology. Plus, it helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with homeowners ready to start their projects, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.